Welcome, curious minds, to a brand new episode of Idiot Knows. Today, we're delving deep into the realm of health and nutrition to explore the fascinating world of cancer-fighting foods. From the mighty broccoli to the humble cranberry, we'll unravel the science behind these powerhouse foods and their potential to combat cancer. So grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's embark on a journey to discover the secrets of staying healthy and happy. Because here at Idiot Knows, we believe that knowledge is power, and a sprinkle of humor never hurts. Let's dive into the top 15 foods that can save your life. What is cancer? Cancer is a complex and often devastating disease characterized by the abnormal and uncontrollable growth of cells in the body. These abnormal cells can invade and destroy healthy tissue, leading to a range of symptoms and complications. Cancer can affect any part of the body and can spread to other areas through the bloodstream or lymphatic system. While there are many different types of cancer, they all share the common feature of uncontrolled cell growth. Broccoli. Broccoli, a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, is not just a staple on dinner plates, it's a nutritional powerhouse with an array of health benefits. Packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, fiber, and potassium, broccoli plays a vital role in supporting overall health. What sets broccoli apart is its high content of phytochemicals, particularly sulforaphane, which has garnered attention for its potential cancer-fighting properties. Studies have shown that sulforaphane may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. Additionally, broccoli's fiber content supports digestive health, while its antioxidants help combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Incorporating broccoli into your diet is an excellent way to boost your nutrient intake and promote overall well-being, so for those of you that hate them, I suggest you start loving them. Apples. Apples are not just a delicious snack. They're also packed with nutrients that contribute to overall health. These crisp fruits are rich in dietary fiber, particularly pectin, which supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, apples contain antioxidants, fiber, and phytochemicals like quercetin, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation. These compounds may protect cells from DNA damage and mutations that lead to cancer. Additionally, the fiber in apples promotes digestive health, potentially reducing the risk of colon cancer. Overall, incorporating apples into your diet as part of a balanced, healthy lifestyle may contribute to cancer prevention efforts. They say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but it also keeps the cancer away. Blueberries. Blueberries are often hailed as a superfood for their impressive nutritional profile and potential health benefits. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of cancer. Additionally, their anti-inflammatory properties may further contribute to cancer prevention by combating chronic inflammation, a known risk factor for cancer development. Some studies also suggest that compounds in blueberries may inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. Incorporating blueberries into your diet as part of a balanced, healthy lifestyle may support overall health and help reduce cancer risk. Flaxseed. Flax seeds are recognized for their potential in cancer prevention due to their rich content of lignans, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber. Lignans, powerful antioxidants found in flax seeds, may combat oxidative stress and DNA damage associated with cancer development. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, which can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and suppress tumor formation. The high fiber content of flax seeds supports digestive health, potentially reducing the risk of gastrointestinal cancers by aiding in the elimination of toxins. Research suggests that incorporating ground flax seeds into the diet may lower the risk of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. While further studies are needed to elucidate the mechanisms and optimal dosage for cancer prevention, integrating flax seeds into a balanced diet may offer potential health benefits in reducing cancer risk. Carrots. Carrots contain a wealth of nutrients, including beta-carotene, fiber, and antioxidants, which contribute to their potential in cancer prevention. Beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant, helps neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which is associated with cancer development. Additionally, carrots are rich in other antioxidants and phytochemicals that have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote their destruction. The fiber content in carrots supports digestive health, potentially reducing the risk of colon cancer by aiding in the removal of toxins from the body. Observational studies have suggested a link between carrot consumption and a decreased risk of various cancers. Incorporating carrots into a balanced diet may offer potential health benefits in reducing cancer risk, although further research is needed to understand the precise mechanisms involved. Now you know why Bugs Bunny loved them. Cherries. Cherries possess several compounds that may contribute to their potential in fighting cancer. These include antioxidants such as anthocyanins, quercetin, and vitamin C, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body, thereby protecting cells from DNA damage associated with cancer development. Additionally, cherries contain phytochemicals with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells and suppress tumor formation. Research suggests that the compounds found in cherries may also induce apoptosis or programmed cell death in cancerous cells, further impeding their proliferation. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved and the optimal dosage for cancer prevention, incorporating cherries into a balanced diet may offer potential health benefits in reducing cancer risk. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and anchovies, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, which are known for their potential in cancer prevention. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce chronic inflammation, a key factor in cancer development and progression. Additionally, these fatty acids may inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells and promote their apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Moreover, studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids may help regulate gene expression related to cancer and suppress the formation of new blood vessels that nourish tumors, a process known as angiogenesis. Observational studies have suggested an association between regular consumption of fatty fish and a reduced risk of various cancers, including breast, colorectal, and prostate cancers. Coffee. Good news for all you coffee lovers out there. Your morning cup of joe might be doing more than just waking you up. Studies have shown that coffee contains compounds like chlorogenic acid and caffeine, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Plus, its high caffeine content can boost metabolism and improve athletic performance. So keep drinking that coffee, guys. Legumes. Legumes, encompassing beans, lentils, and peas, present a formidable defense against cancer owing to their rich nutritional composition. Their high fiber content not only promotes digestive regularity, but also aids in the elimination of toxins, potentially reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. Furthermore, legumes serve as an excellent source of plant-based protein, supporting weight management efforts. Given that obesity is a known risk factor for various cancers, the inclusion of legumes in a balanced diet may mitigate the likelihood of obesity-related cancers. Moreover, legumes boast a plethora of phytochemicals, including flavonoids and saponins, renowned for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Make sure to eat your peas. Walnuts. Walnuts are a powerhouse of nutrients renowned for their potential in cancer prevention. Rich in polyphenols like ellagic acid and gallic acid, walnuts boast potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, aiding in the neutralization of harmful free radicals and the reduction of inflammation, both critical factors in cancer development and progression. Additionally, walnuts are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which has been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth, promote cancer cell death, and suppress angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that nourish tumors. Complemented by bioactive compounds like phytosterols and gamma-tocopherol, walnuts have been linked to a reduced risk of various cancers, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Integrating walnuts into a balanced diet may offer promising health benefits in cancer prevention. Tomatoes. Tomatoes stand out as a formidable ally in the fight against cancer, thanks to their rich array of nutrients and bioactive compounds. Chief among these is lycopene, a potent antioxidant abundant in tomatoes, known for its role in reducing the risk of prostate cancer by neutralizing harmful free radicals and impeding the proliferation of cancer cells. Additionally, tomatoes boast a wealth of other antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, which fortify cellular defenses against oxidative damage, a precursor to cancerous mutations. Moreover, the phytochemicals present in tomatoes, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, exhibit anti-cancer properties, further bolstering their protective effects. Beyond antioxidant prowess, tomatoes possess anti-inflammatory properties that mitigate chronic inflammation, a known risk factor for cancer development. These berries are a must. Garlic. Most hated by vampires, garlic emerges as a potent contender in the realm of cancer prevention, owing to its rich reservoir of bioactive compounds. Chief among these is allicin, a sulfur-containing compound forged upon crushing or chopping garlic. Renowned for its robust antioxidant properties, allicin scavenges harmful free radicals, curbing oxidative stress known to precipitate DNA damage and cancer initiation. Moreover, garlic harbors sulfur compounds like diallyl sulfide and diallyl disulfide, noted for their ability to impede cancer cell proliferation and trigger apoptosis in malignant cells. These compounds also exhibit anti-angiogenic effects, thwarting the formation of blood vessels crucial for tumor sustenance. Furthermore, garlic's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory traits fortify its cancer-fighting arsenal by combating infections and mitigating chronic inflammation, both implicated in cancer development. Grapefruit. Grapefruit presents a promising avenue in the fight against cancer, thanks to its diverse array of bioactive compounds and nutrients. Chief among these is vitamin C, an antioxidant renowned for its role in neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress key factors implicated in cancer initiation and progression. Additionally, grapefruit harbors flavonoids, carotenoids, and limonoids, each offering unique anti-cancer properties. Limonoids, in particular, have shown potential in inhibiting cancer cell growth and promoting cell death, while also disrupting cancer cell signaling pathways. Moreover, the high fiber content in grapefruit supports digestive health, potentially reducing the risk of colorectal cancer by aiding toxin removal from the body. Cranberries. Cranberries are emerging as a promising ally in the battle against cancer, thanks to their rich reservoir of bioactive compounds. Their high antioxidant content, including flavonoids, anthocyanins, and proanthocyanidins, plays a pivotal role in neutralizing harmful free radicals and mitigating oxidative stress, thereby safeguarding cells against DNA damage and potential cancer initiation. Furthermore, cranberries boast ursolic acid, benzoic acid, and hydroxycinnamic acid, compounds that have shown promise in exerting anti-cancer effects. Laboratory studies have revealed that cranberry extracts may induce apoptosis in cancerous cells and impede angiogenesis, the formation of blood vessels crucial for tumor sustenance. Additionally, cranberries possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can alleviate chronic inflammation, a known risk factor for cancer development. Red cabbage. Last but not least, we have red cabbage, a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot on your plate. Not only is it rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, but it also contains compounds like sulforaphane, which have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Plus, its high fiber content can promote healthy digestion and reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. And that concludes today's episode on cancer-fighting foods. We've uncovered some valuable insights into how simple dietary choices can potentially combat one of the most daunting health challenges. Remember to implement these foods into your diet for a proactive approach to wellness. If you found this content informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening discussions. Until next time, stay informed and stay healthy. Thank you for tuning in to Idiot Knows.